Hey guys, Corey with Conkeys Outdoors. Today we're introducing the all-new AGM Sidewinder. It's a TM25-384, very crisp image. A little bit bulkier than your 19, but I really like the design of it. It's definitely heavy duty. Seems like it would last a lot longer. A little bit more money than the 19, but as far as coon hunting goes, this is going to be a great unit. The biggest thing I liked about it is it's very clear. So it gives you a lot more clarity, especially when you're looking in trees for coons, or if you're predator hunting and shooting coyotes or something like that. You definitely be able to make them out what the animal is. So very nice unit by AGM. Excited about this unit. We are going to dive right into a little unboxing of it. So it comes with 2 batteries, 7 hours runtime on each battery. So that should be plenty. You do have a rechargeable battery cradle that comes with it. You've got your USB to USB-C connection to charge the batteries. You will have a carry strap, a nice zipper case, extremely nice zipper case that you could put it up with. And that all comes with the AGM Sidewinder. So very excited about all that. We are also at this time throwing in the Razor strap vest, which looks just like that. That'll keep your Sidewinder safe while you're in the woods. You've got a handheld pouch, a zipper pouch for your phone. You can put a water bottle here, and you can also put the thermal on this side. It fits perfect, keeps it safe. You definitely don't want to lose it. But y'all check it out. We do have some videos that'll be popping up next that AGM has put together. So check that out. And then if you have any questions, give us a call, 904-692-1568, or jump on conkeys.com.